In commercial greenhouses, critical changes in plant health often go unseen until yield is already impacted. Leaficient is changing that, using cameras, sensors, and AI to track plant health at the leaf level and turn complex data into clear, real-time guidance for growers. With support from Innovation Works and the Robotics Factory, Leaficient gained funding, prototyping, mentorship, and market validation, helping the team move from early systems to scalable deployment. That support helped Leaficient develop its Helios platform, capturing over 1 million plant hours of data and building a fully networked system ready for commercial use. Leaficient is helping define a new standard for controlled environment agriculture, where every plant can be monitored, measured, and optimized. Innovation Works, empowering founders building the future of robotics.